Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best lightweight spackling is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any DIYer's arsenal, capable of transforming walls from damaged and dingy to smooth and pristine with minimal effort, making it an essential product for anyone looking to achieve professional-looking results in their home improvement projects. Number 5. Red Devil 0542 ONETIME Lightweight Spackle. Tired of spending too much time on DIY repairs? This lightweight spackle makes filling holes, cracks, and dents a breeze. Get your projects done faster and easier. Whether you're working with drywall, plaster, wood, or stucco, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects, making it incredibly versatile. Forget the messy sanding. Achieve a perfectly smooth, professional finish without any extra effort. It's ready for paint almost immediately after application. Rely on repairs that last. This formula won't shrink, crack, or flake, ensuring your walls look great for years to come. Get your projects finished quickly and beautifully. This product is paintable in just minutes, delivering professional results every time. Proudly made in the USA. What we like. This option offers effortless repairs with a no-sand formula for a smooth finish. It ensures durable results that won't shrink or crack. If you are looking for quick and easy touch-ups without the mess of sanding, this is a great choice. What people say. This spackling compound is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to apply and sand. It dries quickly, allowing for a faster completion of projects. The smooth finish it provides is excellent for touch-ups and repairs. Number 4. Fix-It Fast Wall Hole Filler. Introducing the Fix-It Fast Wall Hole Filler, your all-in-one solution for wall repairs. It comes with a built-in applicator and spreader for your convenience. This filler is perfect for holes up to 2 inches, scratches, and other wall imperfections. It easily covers damage caused by screws and nails. Don't worry about waste. The resealable top means you can use it for multiple repairs, saving you time and money. Unlike spackle, this product has a thinner consistency, making it incredibly easy to spread over large areas. It's designed for interior use only. For smaller repairs, you can skip the sanding step altogether. Achieve a smooth finish with minimal effort. What we like. This product comes with an all-in-one applicator and spreader, plus a resealable top for multiple uses. Its thinner consistency makes it easier to spread over larger areas. If you need a convenient solution for multiple small repairs and prefer a product that's simple to apply, consider this. What people say. This spackling compound is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to apply and sand. It dries quickly, which is a huge time saver for DIY projects. The spackling compound adheres well to various surfaces, providing a smooth finish without cracking. Number 3. Red Devil 0544 ONETIME Lightweight Spackle Wall Repair. Tackle holes, cracks, and dents with ease. This product saves you time and effort on all your DIY projects. It's perfect for drywall, plaster, wood, and stucco. Use it indoors or outdoors for a go-to repair solution. Get a smooth, professional finish without the messy sanding. It's ready for painting right away. You can count on repairs that won't shrink, crack, or flake. Enjoy long-lasting results that stand the test of time. Finish your projects faster with professional quality results. Proudly made in the USA. What we like. This option provides a generous large quantity for bigger projects and features a no-sand formula for a smooth finish. It's also paintable in minutes for faster completion. If you have extensive repairs or multiple projects and want to save time on both application and finishing, this is the one to get. What people say. It dries very fast. It is easy to sand. It does not shrink. Number 2. Red Devil 0541 ONETIME Lightweight Spackle Wall Repair. Tackle holes, cracks, and dents with ease. This product makes your DIY projects faster and simpler, saving you valuable time and effort. It's perfect for drywall, plaster, wood, and stucco. Use it indoors or outdoors for a reliable repair solution on almost any surface. Get a smooth, professional finish without the dusty mess of sanding. It's ready for paint almost immediately after application. You can count on repairs that won't shrink, crack, or flake. Enjoy durable results that are built to last. Finish your projects quickly with professional quality results. Proudly made in the USA, it's ready for paint in just minutes. What we like. This is the most economical option, offering a no-sand formula for a smooth finish and durable results. It won't shrink, crack, or flake, ensuring long-lasting repairs. If you're on a budget but still need reliable and long-lasting repairs, this is an excellent value. What people say. This is the best spackling compound I have ever used. It goes on smooth and dries quickly. It is also very lightweight and easy to sand. I used this spackling compound to repair some holes in my drywall and it worked perfectly. It filled the holes completely and blended in seamlessly with the surrounding wall. I was able to paint over it without any issues. This spackling compound is a lifesaver. It is so easy to use and it dries so fast. I was able to finish my project in half the time it would have taken me with other spackling compounds. Number 1. Red Devil 0548 ONETIME Lightweight Spackle Wall Repair. Tackle holes, cracks, and dents with ease. This product saves you time and effort on all your DIY projects. It's perfect for drywall, plaster, wood, and stucco. Use it both indoors and outdoors for a go-to repair solution. Get a smooth, professional finish without the mess of sanding. It's ready for painting right away. You can count on it not to shrink, crack, or flake. Enjoy repairs that are built to last. Finish your projects faster with professional quality results. It's proudly made in the USA. What we like. This product comes in a standard pint size, perfect for most common repairs, and features a no-sand formula for a smooth finish. It's also suitable for versatile use on various surfaces. If you need a reliable, easy-to-use spackle for general home repairs and want a mess-free experience, this is a solid choice. What people say. This spackling compound is incredibly lightweight and easy to apply, making it perfect for quick repairs. It dries quickly and sands down smoothly, leaving a flawless finish that's ready for paint. The spackling compound adheres well to various surfaces and doesn't shrink as it dries, which is a huge plus for durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.